Namaha.
Salutations to the one who restored dilapidated temples, merging East and West to create a mutual exchange of orthodox knowledge and modern science to rebuild India's rich cultural heritage buried in dilapidated shambles that actually bear great spiritual significance, and to resurrect the lost glory of India's greatest saints and sages.
In Kerala, we are all maternal, not paternal. So each individual, when he is born in a family, he belongs to the mother's family and not the father's family. So Shankara belongs to that house. Kaladi is a place where his father was. And this is a tradition in India and in Kerala, that when the wife is the first time delivery, it always goes home and do it. Even North India, it is the same thing. So she came to this Melpatu, this house, and there a particular room is their delivery room. There she was delivered. The place is very sacred, and the Manas were very in trouble, but they didn't want to sell it to any developer, because developer will make it into a hotel and then a non-vegetarian and all that. So they were suffering but keeping it. It is at that time they heard that I am on the lookout for a place, so they came to me. The building is as it was 1,200 years ago. Only 2 times the roofing has been changed. Everything is the same. The designs, the wooden carvings and all that is the same. Now I am going to change the roofing again because the wood has been gone. But it is all teak wood and therefore not much harm is done, but some repairs are necessary. Repairs are going on. Within the next 5 years, I hope that I will be able to start there a Shankara University, Sanskrit University. So that all our mission centers which are doing Sanskrit, they will all be affiliated with it. So it will be a big university, spread all over the country.
मनोबुद्ध्यहङ्कार चित्तानि नाहं न च स्तोत्र जिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योम भूमिर् न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्.
The more we study the modern theories that are coming out in cosmology, the more we learn to appreciate our Rishi's vision. He also said the same. But this association with the old theory of scriptural literature and the most modern technological and astrological and astronomical discoveries in the Western world are not brought together. If they are brought together, the younger generation will jump at it and feel proud that our scriptures as understood till now is not a cock and bull story. It is not without rhyme and reason, but it is all based upon high mathematics, supreme understanding of the whole cosmos and its working, an enormous amount of science behind those simple words that they speak. This synchronization is to be brought about, which can be done only by inviting and bringing the Western scholars and thinkers. Our acharyas and masters and vidwan, they will learn from them, and they will get an orientation with the orthodox Vedantic standpoint from these people.